Thanks for checking out another one of our videos, Skyway Classics. Man, this is an absolutely gorgeous GT350 Tribute. I mean, this thing is probably one of the nicest ones I've seen. Comes with a hearse package. He's even got some of the details right down to the stickers and the VIN plate. So really, really good condition. This is probably the nicest one we've had in a while. But the fender scoops, the ribbing, everything on it, it's just absolutely gorgeous. Also helps that it's a 4-speed, way more fun to drive. Beautiful upholstery. Yeah, this is a gorgeous Mustang. Absolutely gorgeous. So let's crank her, take her for a drive. We grabbed Kevin to hold the camera for me, because this thing's a monster. As you're gonna see here. Oh, yeah.
I can sure feel the power.
Yeah, I wanted to really show this thing off. It's one of the cleanest tributes I've ever seen. And she runs really good. Shifting's super smooth. Clutch feels just firm enough. Kind of feels like a race clutch a little bit. It's not, but it just has that feel. Just a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful car. I mean, I love this. We're gonna extend the video to you a little bit. I want to rip her again because it's just so much fun to drive. We got all working gauges. Not making any weird squeakings, no ticking, no nothing like that. Just tons of fun.